How does plant-based protein affect traditional agriculture? Have you ever wondered how the rise of plant-based protein is changing the way we farm? This shift is not just a trend, it is reshaping traditional agriculture in significant ways. Let's break it down. Plant-based proteins come mainly from crops like legumes, which include peas, soybeans, and lentils, as well as cereals like wheat and rice. These crops are much less demanding in terms of resources compared to livestock farming. For instance, producing plant-based protein can requiring up to 97% less land than raising animals for meat. This efficiency is vital as farmland prices continue to rise and available land becomes harder to find. As farmers adapt to this growing demand for plant-based proteins, the types of crops they choose to cultivate are changing. Farmland that is suitable for growing protein-rich crops may see increased demand and value. This is especially true for specialty crops that are used in plant-based products. Smaller farms and new farmers can benefit from this trend since these crops often need less capital and can be grown on smaller plots of land. This could help counteract the trend where larger livestock operations dominate the farming landscape. However, traditional cereal crops like wheat still play a major role in global diets, providing a significant portion of dietary protein. Farmers are actively working to improve the protein content of these cereal crops through breeding and sustainable practices. This effort aims to complement plant-based proteins and reduce the reliance on nitrogen fertilizers, which can harm the environment. The growth of the plant-based protein industry is also driving innovation in crop breeding. New technologies, such as gene editing, are being used to develop crop varieties that are optimized for protein production. This could lead to new farming practices that further reduce environmental impacts while boosting yields. In essence, the rise of plant-based protein is steering traditional agriculture toward more sustainable and efficient practices. It opens up new market opportunities for farmers and may increase the value of certain agricultural lands. For those involved in farmland investment and agricultural real estate, staying informed about these trends is essential. Understanding how the global protein market is evolving can help anticipate changes in land use and crop profitability.